Terry Dayton from D-Lab Electronics, here to introduce the new D-Lab 3C little chassis amplifier. This amplifier is rated at about 2 watts. It runs about 200 volts plate. Runs 3 tubes, hence the name 3C. Okay, the first tube is a 6X4, that's your rectifier. Then you have a new old stock GE 6V6 output tube. And then a little Sylvania 6AV6 preamp tube. This little amp is nice and clean. It's great for bedroom or practice amp situations. It has a line output jack on the rear for recording. So you can either run it the way it is or build your own custom cab and impress your friends. In a second here I'll show you what's under the hood. Alright, it's got a tour time of the little 3C amplifier. As you can see, the front panel is pretty basic on this little guy, just tone, volume, and the input jack. Tone has the built-in power on-off function. Top side here, you got your tubes, vintage transformer from the 60s, old style twist lock filter cap. Spin around here, you see your 8 ohm speaker output and your line output jack for recording. Flippity-doo-dah upside down. And what do we got here? Alright, a couple old style pots, the big old 25mm guys, spray orange drop caps, switchcraft input jack. Here's your power supply section. Here's your output transformer, which is conveniently underneath because I didn't have room on top. And it is made by Stancore, hey, which is a good old vintage company. Alright, here, and we'll break and then I'll go to the test portion. Alright, I've killed the lights so you can watch. I just turned her on. You'll be able to see the old tubes come to life. A little glow in the dark action there. It's always fun to watch. Alright, now, right now I have an audio generator hooked up to this unit. We'll bring her up. And you look on the scope here. I'm at about 2 volts per division. Sweep the frequency. Hey! And down, up and down there. Alrighty. Now I'll bring it up to the point of distortion so you can see what you're going to get out of her. A little ripping of the sine wave, pretty cool. So if you hit it hard enough, you should be able to develop some pretty cool distortion for your practice session. Alright, so in case you haven't figured it out, or you haven't been told, Mr. D-Lab here doesn't know how to play guitar, okay? I know how to build amplifiers, I know my electronics, but I never got around to learning this instrument. However, I know a lot of you out there would like to know that the amp can actually take the input from a guitar. So here's my cheap Fender guitar, alright? And I'll just hit a couple notes here and you can be the judge, alright? Here we go. There's some different settings here. I should have a band, huh? Anyway, that about wraps it up. By the way, the amplifier does come with full documentation, so you will get a schematic that I generate in Visio. So good luck on the auction, and I'm sure you'll enjoy this little jewel.